Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with cash on Grubhub. Grubhub is a popular food delivery and takeout platform that allows users to order food from their favorite restaurants and pay for it using various payment methods, including cash. First, open the Grubhub app and search for the restaurant you would like to order from. Browse through the menu and add the items you would like to order to your cart. Once you have added all the items, click on the View Cart button to proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to select a payment method. Unfortunately, Grubhub does not directly support cash payments for online orders. However, some restaurants on Grubhub may offer the option to pay with cash at the time of pickup or upon delivery. To pay with cash, you can try contacting the restaurant directly to ask if they accept cash payments for Grubhub orders. If they do, you can place your order over the phone with the restaurant and pay with cash when you pick up your order or when it is delivered. Another option is to use a cash-based payment service such as a debit card or a prepaid card that can be loaded with cash and used to make payments on Grubhub. This way, you can still use cash to fund your payments, but you will need to use a card to make the actual payment. It is also important to note that some restaurants on Grubhub may offer a cash payment option at the time of delivery, but this is not a standard feature across all restaurants on the platform. To find out if a restaurant offers cash payment, you can check the restaurant's page on Grubhub or contact them directly. In summary, while Grubhub does not directly support cash payments, there are still ways to pay with cash when ordering food through the platform. You can contact the restaurant directly to ask about cash payment options, use a cash-based payment service, or look for restaurants that offer cash payment at the time of delivery. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience of ordering food online through Grubhub while still being able to pay with cash.